These 7 simple exercises will take just 5 minutes of your time and will work for any fitness level because every single one of them is built around one powerhouse move. Plank. Do this with us every single day. Morning is best. You are fresh, your energy is high, and we are going to make sure every session counts. Give us 30 days, and you are going to look in that mirror and not recognize the body staring back at you. Exercise number 1, full plank, 60 seconds. Get down on the floor, belly down. Now push yourself up on straight arms and toes. Lock your body into one straight line from the top of your head down to your heels. Hips are not up. Hips are not sagging. Straight line, breathe. Do not hold your breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Your muscles need oxygen or this falls apart fast. Full plank works your abs, your glutes, your hamstrings, and your shoulders all at once. 30 seconds in, you are halfway there. Do not quit now. Squeeze your core like someone is about to punch you in the stomach. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down. That was 60 seconds of real work. You earned that. Exercise number 2. Elbow plank. 30 seconds. Stay on the floor. Come down onto your elbows. Forearms flat on the ground, directly under your shoulders. Now push up on your toes. Body is a straight line. Head to heels. 30 seconds. That is nothing. Hold it. Plank is a foundational pose in yoga. When your body starts shaking and your brain says stop, remind yourself that people have been doing this for thousands of years. You can handle 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, down. Good. Exercise number 3, raised leg plank. 30 seconds each leg. Get back into elbow plank position, body tight. Now, lift your right leg up to hip height or higher. Hold it. Your core is working overtime to keep you balanced, and that is exactly the point. Do not hold your breath. When you hold your breath during plank, your blood pressure spikes and your muscles stop getting what they need. 3, 2, 1, right leg down. Now the left leg goes up. Hold it. Stay tight. Left leg is not taking a break just because the right leg finished. This variation targets your glutes, your back thighs, your abs, and your shoulders. Every muscle group is getting a piece of this one. Two, 1, both feet down. Outstanding. Exercise number 4, left side plank, 30 seconds. Roll onto your left side. Left elbow goes directly under your left shoulder. Legs are straight and stacked. Now push that hip off the floor. Your body makes one diagonal line from head to feet. Do not let that hip sink. Keep it up. Side plank builds the muscles along the sides of your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip down. Exercise number 5. Right side plank. 30 seconds. Flip to the right side. Right elbow under right shoulder. Legs straight. Push that hip up. Body forms a straight diagonal line. 30 more seconds. You are more than halfway through this entire workout. You do not quit 5 exercises in. Keep your shoulder from collapsing. Stay tall in that elbow. 3, 2, 1. Come down. Exercise number 6. Full plank. 30 seconds. You did this one at the start. You know exactly what it takes. Straight arms, toes on the floor. Body is one locked line from head to heels. Only 30 seconds this time. After everything you have already done, this is your victory lap. Your core is awake. Your body is warm. Make sure those palms are flat under your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Exercise number 7, elbow plank, 60 seconds. We are finishing where we started, but harder. Down onto your elbows, body straight, toes on the floor. You are holding this one for 60 seconds. The last exercise, the hardest hold. This is the one that separates the people who want results from the people who settle for trying. "30 seconds in, you are still here. That says something. Keep those glutes down. Do not let your hips rise up. Straight line. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put it down. You just finished the whole thing. Here is your daily workout summary. Number 1, full plank, 1 minute. Number 2, elbow plank, 30 seconds. Number 3, raised leg plank, 30 seconds each leg. Number 4, left side plank, 30 seconds. Number 5, right side plank, 30 seconds. Number 6, full plank, 30 seconds. Number 7, elbow plank,